Alright, to YouTubers, last fan for today from my pickup yesterday. This Fanimation Islander with wicker blades. There's a Fanimation tag. This is going to be a 5 or 4. I'm pretty much sure all of them can, but I don't know for sure. I got this possibly for the dining room of this house. My mom has a lot of wicker furniture in there, so this would look nice in there. So let's go ahead and put it through its paces. High, medium, low. I picked this up for the incredibly low price of only 40 bucks. So, yeah, that's a steal if I've seen one. Well, this bead's very aesthetic. This looks nice. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Not sure why the family was getting rid of it, but I'm not complaining. It's perfectly balanced and everything. I'm already feeling good air off this thing on medium, which is surprising. Alright, let's go ahead and go to high. There we go. Let's just spin down. Oh, actually, hang on. Let's get spin down these things. Won't be too long, but you never know. I will be adding a light kit to this fan though if I put it in my dining room, because my mom has a palm tree chandelier she kind of wants to see if she can install on this. So I have to see if I can possibly rig it to the bottom of it. I'll have to look into what I can do. This is a pretty nice looking fan actually. There we go. This is my last video using the iPhone 6. I'm getting the iPhone 7 literally right after this. So everything after that should be a little better. We'll find out. There we go. Thanks for watching, everyone.